Hello everyone, welcome for a new video. Today we are talking about... I saw so many videos online about keyframes and they're all talking about expert stuff, but I want to give a clear idea and guide about those keyframes. So what are keyframes and what type of keyframes we have? So okay, here we have a basic video. Perfect. I'm gonna get a sticker and let's say something maybe businessy. So I'm gonna show you something. Okay, support local business, nice. We have here a little sticker. It can be a text, it can be anything, and we're going to work on the very first keyframe. So the first is position keyframe. The idea is to move this sticker for now. Let's put the sticker there. I'm gonna select the sticker, and here we have the position on X and Y, which is vertical and horizontal side. I'm gonna click keyframe, and let's say I want to move it here. You can see there's a little diamond, there's a little gem in there, a keyframe, and I want to put at the end of at the end of this part, I want to have it on another side. I'm going to click keyframe again and move the item. Perfect. So now I'm gonna press play, and you can see that the item is actually moving around. Perfect. Okay, so this is an example of keyframe. I could move the keyframe in the middle, for example, so we have a movement, faster movement. And let's go on the second keyframe. And now, instead of selecting this keyframe, I'm going to select scale. This is our second keyframe type. Now I want to scale it, make it bigger. I'm gonna go at the end, or maybe let's say halfway, and I want to make it bigger, let's say 150. Let's go back, play, and you see that little by little the item is getting big. Let's see, let's say I want to make it smaller again. I'm going at the end, click keyframe once again, doing 100, and in this way you see that the item will get big and then will get small again. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This was the scale. Let's say we want to rotate the item. Okay, so let's move it here. Select position and rotate. Then I'm going to the middle. I'm moving it to the middle. Also select the rotation. I'm going to rotate the items like this, 180 degrees. And then at the end, I'm gonna put another keyframe and then move the items more, move the sticker more. Perfect. Let's see now the result. So we have a bit of a rotation. Let's play, and here we have our rotation. Pretty cool, I would say. Not probably the best because this is a shaky one, but yeah, it gives you the idea of the rotation keyframe. Let's now talk about another type of keyframe, the opacity keyframe. I'm gonna put an image here. We have a new image. I'm gonna scale it to make it a bit bigger. Perfect. And I want to change the opacity on this image. In this case, we have to click blend, and I'm going to click on the opacity keyframe. I'm leaving it to 100 at the moment. I'm gonna click again the end of the keyframe, and I'm gonna do 40 in this case. Let's play. And we can see that there is the opacity keyframe. Let's now talk about effect keyframe. So I'm gonna go select an effect. Let's see what we have new here. This is quite a good effect. Perfect. So it's basically a flashing image. Yeah. Nice. I'm going to select, and we can do in this case the speed. So let's say I want to start at speed 33. I'm going to click keyframe here, and I want to make it faster. So let's say that we're going to make it faster at the end. I'm going to put 100. So it will start slow and then get really fast. Pretty easy example on how to do an effect keyframe. I don't think you'll use it much, but it's part of the keyframes that we do. Last but not least, we have the audio keyframe. Big here, perfect. Let's work only on the beginning, so it makes easier. So we're gonna work on a clip of 3 seconds. Here it starts already with the audio going up, but let's say I wanna terminate the audio here and I wanna fade it. We don't even need a keyframe in this case, we can just fade it off like this. So you can hear audio now. Perfect. Let's make it longer. So I'm going to select the volume. Volume is 0 decibel at the moment. I want to make it lower. I'm going to do -10. And you can see now that already the volume is going down. Let's leave it for a bit. So let's keep it on the 10. And what I want to do now, at the end, I want to put the volume up again. 827, perfect. I want to select keyframe as well, and I'm going to boost it up really much. Not 50, but 5. And let's see. Let's play. And this was the keyframe. You can play a bit around with those one. For example, you can increase the volume manually as well. You see, I can go up to 20. There is also another way to make it even more professional. If you press Alt plus K, you'll have different extra levels. Let's see, I'm gonna show you something. For example, here, you can also change the speed or the smoothness of it. But this is for another tutorial, so make sure you come back tomorrow for a new video. And make sure you double check these 2 cool effects.